Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cica from class A2 2023. My student number is 23220071 from English Education Study Programs. And today, I would like to present my methods for interpreting practice. In this session, I will interpret a short speech about motivation, especially focused on the concept of grit, which mean passion and long-term goals. I will try to deliver the message clearly and naturally as an interpreter by maintaining the meaning, tone, and flow of the original speech. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the presentation.
So I want to bring my mini-me out here. His name is Isaiah. As he comes to the stage, please put your hands together for my son Isaiah Wright. Isaiah, come on out here.
Jadi saya ingin mengajak mini diri saya ke sini, namanya Isasi. Saat dia naik ke panggung, tolong beri tepuk tangan untuk anak saya, Isasi Wright. Isasi, silakan ke sini.
Now this is the first time that he's done anything of this magnitude. And what he's going to do in a second is he's going to recite the definition of grit.
Ini adalah pertama kalinya dia melakukan sesuatu yang besar. Dan sebentar lagi dia akan membacakan definisi tentang grit.
Grit is a book that I read a couple years ago by a woman named Angela Duckworth, and it talks about the power of perseverance.
Grit ini berasal dari sebuah buku yang saya baca beberapa tahun lalu, ditulis oleh Angela Duckworth. Buku ini membahas tentang ketekunan dan kekuatan.
And I want him to recite this definition because as we talk about grinding, as we talk about accomplishing goals, as we talk about setting goals, we have to understand grit.
Saya ingin dia membacakan definisi ini karena ketika kita berbicara tentang kerja keras, ketika kita berbicara tentang mencapai tujuan, dan berbicara tentang menetapkan target, kita harus benar-benar memahami apa itu grit.
Before he goes, I just have one house rule. I ask that you young men please respect us. As I'm up here speaking, please give me the respect that you would want if you were up here speaking. All right, there's been a lot of time, energy, and effort put into this presentation by myself and by my son. So please just give us the respect.
Sebelum dia mulai, saya hanya punya satu aturan. Saya meminta kalian semua, khususnya para pria muda di sini, tolong hormati kami ketika berbicara di depan. Berikan kami rasa hormat seperti yang kalian harapkan jika kalian yang berdiri di depan. Karena banyak waktu, energi, dan usaha yang sudah kami curahkan untuk speech ini, baik saya maupun anak saya, jadi mohon berikan kami sedikit rasa hormat.
The next voice you're going to hear is Isaiah Wright. And like I said, he's going to be reciting the definition of grit from Angela Duckworth.
Selanjutnya, suara yang akan kalian dengar adalah Iza Zihra. Dan seperti yang saya katakan, dia akan membacakan definisi grit dari Angela Duckworth.
Grit is passion and sustained persistence applied toward long-term achievement.
Grit adalah gairah dan ketekunan yang terus-menerus diterapkan untuk mencapai tujuan jangka panjang tanpa terlalu memikirkan imbalan atau pengakuan di sepanjang prosesnya.
It combines resilience, ambition, and self-control, and the pursuit of goals that can take months, years, or even decades.
Good job, man. Have a seat. Good job.
Grit menggabungkan ketahanan, ambisi, pengendalian diri dalam mengejar tujuan yang bisa memakan waktu berbulan-bulan, bertahun-tahun, bahkan puluhan tahun. So, Thank you for watching, guys. That's all for me, and sorry for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah, everyone.